In this video, I am going to talk to you about top 5 neighborhoods here in Fremont, California, and the number 1 neighborhood here is What's up everybody, this is Manisha right here in Fremont, California. If this is the first time you're here in my channel and you want to know everything about living, working, dining, sleeping and chilling anywhere here in Bay Area, California, do subscribe to the channel and tap on that bell button so that you are notified every time we drop in a new video. It calls from people across the globe, across the country who want to move to Bay Area, and we absolutely love it. So if you're looking to move to anywhere in Bay Area, if you're looking to relocate here or here even to just test waters, do make sure to give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email or ping us on WhatsApp or Signal, however you can get hold of us. Because when it comes to moving to Bay Area, California, we've got your back. Alright, before diving deep into each of these neighborhoods, let me just lay ground for all the things that's common across various neighborhoods here in Fremont. Fremont has great weather, it has well-maintained parks, each neighborhood has about 2 to 3 parks. All the streets have sidewalks here, you have ample parking space available on the streets and at shopping centers. The schools are rated 6 and above and the city is in general very safe. I also have a couple of other videos on Fremont, like top 5 pros and cons of living here and what it is like to live here in Fremont, California. So if you haven't watched them yet and you are interested or looking to move to Fremont, California, I highly suggest that you watch those too. I'll provide a link for those videos in the description box below. Alright, the best neighborhoods in Fremont. At number 5, we have Warm Springs. Warm Springs is bound by Mission Boulevard on the north, 680 on the east, Pagosa Way in the south, and Warm Springs Boulevard in the west. You have a couple of parks, the Booster Park, Lone Tree Creek Park in this neighborhood. You have quite a good number of restaurants and grocery shops at the intersection of Warm Springs Boulevard and Mission Boulevard. The Interstate 880 also runs very close to the neighborhood. This neighborhood is served by very good schools. It is served by Light Elementary up till 2nd grade, Palm Springs Elementary for grade 3 and above, Horner Middle School and Irvington High School. The houses listed here currently are listed at a price point from $530,000 to $2.3 million. A 2-bedroom house here can cost about $650,000. A 3-bed house can cost about $1.5 million. A 4-bed house can cost about $2.2 million for a living square foot of 1,700 square feet. The rent here can cost anywhere between $2,300 to $4,400 per month. So what brings Warm Springs to the top 5? Well, Fremont has 2 BART stations and one of the BART stations is just on Warm Springs Boulevard, and that makes this neighborhood very desirable. That combined with closeness to the 2 interstates 680 and 880 plus being served by good schools and high walkability score pushes this neighborhood to the top 5. At number 4, we have Cameron Hills. Cameron Hills is bound by 680 and Washington Boulevard on the north, Osgood to the west, Durham to the south and Paseo Padre to the east. This area is served by Mission Valley Elementary, Hopkins Junior High School and Mission San Jose High School. There is only one junior high or middle school that is rated very good in Fremont, and that is the Hopkins Junior, and that school serves this neighborhood. You don't really have parks here. There is green patch across the neighborhood. There is Sabercat Creek Trail that runs in the neighborhood and it's very beautiful. The houses built here are pretty new. Houses across Fremont are generally 60 to 70 years old, but the houses in this neighborhood are about just 38 years old. They are huge. They are generally built across a living square foot of 2,000 square feet, sitting on top of huge lot about 10,000 square feet. The median house value here is about $1.8 million and the rent can cost anywhere between $4,000 to $6,000 per month. Even though the cost of houses here is about 47% higher than the average house cost here in Fremont and has low walkability score, probably because of the green patch, the serenity here in this neighborhood, and easy access to 680 and being served by good schools, and probably the houses being so big and spacious puts this neighborhood into the 4th spot. If you have liked the information that I have provided so far, do pause the video and go ahead and like the video, share the video with your friends or family who might be interested in knowing more about Fremont. This will help me understand that I have provided some valuable information in this video, and it will help me grow, it will help the channel grow, and it will definitely tell YouTube to put these videos in front of other people who might be interested in similar information. At number 3, you have Webull. Webull is bound by Durham in the north, 680 in the west, Mission Boulevard to the east and south. The neighborhood has Arroyo Agua Client Park, and it is served by Webull Elementary School, Horner Middle School and Irvington High School. The median cost of houses is about 1.5 million and average rent is about 2.4 thousand. Even though the walkability score for this neighborhood is not that great and you don't have easy access to the interstates, it's probably the good schools that serve this area plus a relatively lower average price of the homes that pushes this neighborhood to the top 5 list. At number 2, we have Mission Valley. Mission Valley is bound by 680 in the east, Driscoll in the west, and Washington Boulevard in the south. The area is served by Chadbourne Elementary, Hopkins Junior High, and Mission San Jose High School. All of these schools are highly rated, and Mission Valley is one of the most sought after neighborhoods. There are many families that move to this neighborhood even though they are on rent, just to be served by these great schools. The median price for homes in this neighborhood is about 2 million, and the average rent can vary anywhere between 3.5k to 5.5k. And the top neighborhood here in Fremont, the number 1 that you all have been probably waiting for, is Kimbergomes. Kimbergomes is bound by Driscoll Road on the southeast, Lake Elizabeth and Mission Boulevard on the west, Morrison Canyon Road on the north. The neighborhood has 2 parks, Gomes and Buena Vista. The Fremont Central Park and the Lake Elizabeth are very close by. There are some stores which, if you are close by, can walk to on Las Palmas Avenue. What makes this neighborhood the number 1 neighborhood? According to me, it's the schools combined with affordability. You have a varied access to 680 depending on where you are in this neighborhood. But if you compare the house prices in this neighborhood against that in the neighborhood is served by 3 good schools, 3 great schools, Gomes Elementary, Hopkins Junior and Mission San Jose High School. Depending on where you are in the neighborhood, you could be close to Interstate 680, and the houses cost here anywhere from 1 million to 4 million depending on where in the neighborhood you have your property, and the rent can be anywhere to the north of 4.2 thousand per month. So what makes this neighborhood the number 1 neighborhood? According to me, it's the schools combined with affordability. You have a varied access to 680 depending on where you are in this neighborhood. But if you compare the house prices in this neighborhood against that in the other neighborhoods where say Mission Valley or Cameron Hills, which are served by same junior high and high school, the house price here in Kimbergomes area is still much lesser than that in those neighborhoods. That combined with having a nice park and having easy access to the Lake Elizabeth and the Central Park, I think it's a win-win in all directions. So I think that is what makes this neighborhood number 1. Again, depending on what you want, where you want to be, what your priorities are, the neighborhoods and the suburbs might vary. So if you are looking to move to Fremont or anywhere here in Bay Area, do give us a call, shoot us a text or send us an email or ping us on WhatsApp, and we'll help you win a house that you fall in love with and help you achieve the lifestyle that you desire. Until next video, see you then.